In this video, you'll learn about 8 different elements that you need to keep in mind while producing a song. These are the elements that you need to get right in order to produce a professional song. The more elements you check off of this list, the more professional your song will be, and the greater the chances will be of it getting more streams and becoming popular. This is sort of a cheat sheet that you can use when crafting a track to ensure that it has all the elements made properly. Number 1. Does it have a theme? Professional songs have a distinct theme that sets them apart from the average ones. 3 things have to match in order to take this one off the list: the title, the artwork, and the song itself. The first 2 are self-explanatory. You create a title, such as Aquawaves, and acquire an artwork that corresponds to that title. Then you create a song that reflects the vibe of both. The vibe in the song can be achieved purely through sound design, sound selection, but can be enhanced by using sound elements that align with the theme, by adding vocal phrases, and in more sophisticated songs, full track acapellas singing the theme.
They better move up, never gonna win a Royal Rumble.
This matching process makes your track stand out. It transforms it from a boring average song into something unique with personality. Number 2, does it put you in a certain place? A professionally produced song will not bore you with its sounds. Instead, it will evoke specific emotions and create a certain emotional atmosphere. Pro songs have a unique feel to them, which is why people enjoy listening to them. It's all about how a particular song makes you feel. When it comes to crafting a specific feeling in a song, the spectrum ranges from an uncomfortable attempt to a highly intense perfection of the feeling. The songs that radiate a certain feeling are the most enjoyable to listen to. It's not about basic emotions as we know them, it's about very distinct worlds, and people who manage to create the most unique places with their productions are usually the ones that win. Number 3, does it have a strong melody that is memorable and catchy? Professional songs are vibey to the point that their melody structure gets stuck in your head and plays on repeat. Catchy songs are so good that you keep on listening to them even when you're not listening to them. You keep vibing, you keep humming and whistling. Not only it is a sign that a song is well made when that's happening, it's also a great marketing strategy. It keeps your listeners coming back again and again to listen to your song one more time. What distinguishes a strong melody from a boring one is its complexity, the right sequence of the right notes, and sound selection. The context in which the melody is positioned is also very important. A great melody cannot survive among a poor accompaniment, However, melody doesn't just refer to a single lead melody, it also encompasses a combination of multiple instruments playing in a specific rhythm. The main theme of all these elements is what sticks in your head and plays on repeat. Number 4, does it have a solid rhythm and groove that makes you want to move? In professional songs, you can find sophisticated rhythms that make you bounce to the beat. While it may seem simple to achieve, creating a rhythm that truly bounces with full force can be quite challenging. It's more about aligning all elements, perfecting their shapes, loudness, dynamic range, tone, rather than simply placing elements based on their nature. That means it's really important to achieve the right shape of the drum loop, and it's not just about having a drum loop. Also, the shape is about all elements in the song that are playing together. Tools that can be helpful will be volume automation for shape and volume control, tone modulation for tempo variation, and EQ for tone control. Another crucial aspect is swing. Think of it as offsetting sounds by a certain amount to the left or right. This timing difference creates a wonky movement that doesn't sound so stiff, it's more human-like. Number 5 doesn't have a well-crafted arrangement that keeps you engaged and interested throughout the song. A professionally produced song captivates the listener with its carefully crafted arrangement that maintains their attention and keeps them engaged from start to finish. The arrangement involves the strategic placement of different musical elements such as verses, choruses, bridges, and instrumental sections to create a dynamic and captivating musical journey. A well-crafted arrangement ensures that each section seamlessly transitions into the next, building anticipation and delivering satisfying musical moments. It's through the art of arrangement that a song takes shape, guiding the listener through energetic peaks and valleys, and ultimately leaving them wanting more. The arrangement is like a roadmap that guides the listener on a musical adventure, making the song a cohesive and immersive experience. Number 6. Does it create an immersive 3D experience? In a professionally produced song, each element serves its own purpose. Sounds are carefully chosen and placed within the 3D space to create an immersive listening experience. The goal is to create a sonic landscape that surrounds a listener, making them feel like they are at the center of the action. The 3D space can be achieved by modulating parameters such as panning for left-right positioning, brightness for top-down positioning, and dryness for front-back. Additionally, stereo wideners and mid-side EQs are being used to create separation between the center and the sides of the 3D space. Number 7. Does it have a personality? A part of being a professional and successful artist is creating songs that bring something new to the table. Songs that are unique and that stand out from other ones in the genre. You don't want to be just another artist who produces the same sounding stuff that has already been produced thousands of times. You want to bring something new to the table, something unique, something that will set you apart from other artists. It's okay to release any song that you want, but remember that songs with no personality won't bring you success. So ask yourself this question: does the song that I'm producing right now have personality? If the answer is no, how can I add it? What can I add, remove, or change so that this song gains personality? Or should I just let it go? Do I even want to keep producing a track that has no soul? Questions like that can be really helpful in shaping the trajectory of your music production journey. Number 8. Does it have a clear and polished production quality? One of the markers that separates professional songs from mediocre ones is their crisp sound quality. This is a challenging thing to achieve and sometimes impossible. You can't turn crap into gold, so in order to achieve a high quality level, you must choose the right sounds that are initially quality. Doing so keeps the high quality level from the start and removes the need for heavy processing and hassle to mix tracks that are unmixable. With high quality sounds, you only need a bit of adjusting to fit them to your project and a bit of glue to connect all elements together.
Bounce to the rhythm.
This process is simple and enjoyable. You don't have to process heavily, you simply use high quality sounds. That's why you should check out oversample.us, a website that provides such high quality sounds. With their easy drag and drop nature, you can forget about the constant hassle that comes with using low quality dirty sounds. We only upload top-notch sounds because we are producers ourselves, and we hate the hassle too. Our sounds have a unique feel, helping you check off the rest of the items on the checklist. We're simply producers creating the best sounds for ourselves and other producers. So visit oversample.us, get sounds, and start creating quality tracks with ease. For the next week, with every purchase, we will also be giving you a free copy of our advanced song finishing spreadsheet along with an added checklist from this video. Thank you for watching, hope this video was helpful, have a great day, and see you soon.